Clearbrow, North Dallas, 23 Defender X, full wrap, and I have to say there's a lot of areas and sections to this, and word to the wise, make sure you get an installer that knows what they're doing, because there is a ton of sections to this vehicle. That's all I can say for you. And you got to wrap those edges, or you would just have obnoxious amount of areas that wouldn't be wrapped, that would just drive a owner crazy. So let's take a look at this thing overall. Excuse me. Starting up here in the front, removing the Defender letters so that we don't have any lines around them. Obviously, we're not going to print out a kit and put it on with big holes in it. So we take these off, put the film down, put the letters back over, just like the clear coat on the vehicle. You would never clear coat the car at the paint factory in the factory around the letters on it. The right way to do it is the paint protection film goes on, letters go back over it just as if it was painted that way. You're trying to achieve a look like this where everything gets wrapped in. Most of them I see the line outside here instead of underneath this plate. Coming up here on the fenders, all wrapped in, all wrapped underneath. All this goes all the way to the edge. I don't cut it in half. A lot of installers just don't get it. If you're going to protect the paint, why would you leave a line here? Wrap the whole piece, but they do it. Inexperienced. Coming around here, pop this guy, pops right off. Wrap it all the way in, wrap it all the way in. Our doors, wrap those all the way around. Our mirrors, wrap them all the way around. These little rubber sills come off, wrap it all the way in. And again, likewise here, our handles, wrap those all the way in. Wrap the handles all the way in, no lines. Everything's underneath the handle. Coming up this way, let's come in here. All this is wrapped, just like the rest of the car. All wrapped in, all wrapped underneath. The fuel port, all wrapped in. The door, all wrapped in. And the roof's the same way. There's these two long things that run along these windows, kind of showing what they used to be like, these vehicles, so you can see out those in like the Safari, but I doubt there's as many Safaris here in Texas. And then there's a couple pieces that run down the center and one in the back where the shark fin is. Finishing up this way, our hatch, wheel comes off, wrap in there. These sections all wrapped in. Our bumper, all the way done. Handle done, wrapped all the way in here, all the way underneath the door cup. And much more the same over here. The bumper fully done. Everything looks fantastic. So there it is, 23 Defender X. And really nice in all black. She wanted to do a stealth finish. It's trendy, looks good, but the gloss, I think, for this type of vehicle is the way to go. So there you go, Clearbrow, North Dallas, clearbrownorthdallas.com. Phone 214-414-3809. You can text from there, or you can hit extension 0 or 1, and you will get to me. I'm Brent. Any questions, let me know. Have a great day, and thanks for watching our YouTube channel.